Yesterday we covered Grok 4.5 alone. Today we put it on the field against the market. OpenAI frontier models, Anthropic Claude class models, Google Gemini class models, open-weight and self-host options on the side. This is not a trophy fight for one winner. Production teams do not crown a single model forever. They route hard coding to one lane, bulk drafts to another, sensitive data to a third. The question is where Grok 4.5 fits in that map in 2026. Strengths, trade-offs, and when it should be primary versus backup. Lane 1. Software engineering and agents. Grok 4.5 was launched as a coding and agentic flagship, trained with heavy multi-step software work, available inside Cursor and Grok Build. Strong claim on token-efficient engineering. Claude class models still own a huge share of long-horizon coding trust for many teams. OpenAI frontier models own broad ecosystem defaults and tool ecosystems. Gemini class models push hard on long-context multimodality and Google Stack Glue. Practical rule. Run the same 5 real PRs and 1 tool using agent on each. Score pass rate, tokens, and human edit distance. Leaderboard charts are marketing. Your repo is the only leaderboard that pays the bills. Lane 2. Economics. Grok 4.5 published list pricing around $2 per million input and $6 per million output, with claims of high tokens per second and stronger token efficiency on engineering tasks. That can undercut premium Opus class spend if quality holds. OpenAI and Anthropic still price hard tiers for top reasoning. Google often competes on long context packages and cloud commits. Open-weight can win on high volume once you own GPUs, but ops cost is real. Remember effective cost. List price times tokens times retries times human review. A model that is half the list price and twice the retries is not a win. Measure cost per successful outcome. Lane 3. Distribution. OpenAI still wins default mindshare and huge third-party integrations. Anthropic wins regulated and careful enterprise narrative. Google wins when your company already lives in workspace and cloud. XAI and Grok win when you want API plus Grok Build plus Cursor plus real-time search-style tools and a competitive flagship price point. Open-weight wins sovereignty and offline. Switching cost is the real game. Prompts, evals, tool schemas, and connectors stick deeper than model names. Multi-provider design keeps you free. Single-provider romance gets expensive when prices or rate limits move. Honest split. Grok 4.5 is a strong pick when coding and agent loops dominate, when you want a large context window, and when list price plus efficiency claims matter to finance. It is a strong secondary when your primary is Claude or GPT and you need failover without a quality cliff. It may lose when your company standard is already a cloud bundle with seats you already pay for. It may lose when policy requires a vendor already approved for 2 years of audits. It may lose on pure multimodal edge cases if another stack is deeper there for your product. No model is best at everything. The win is matching the lane. Use this matrix Monday morning. Default bulk chat and rewrites. Cheapest reliable Flash class model you already trust. Hard coding and multi-step agents. Grok 4.5 versus Claude class versus GPT frontier on your eval set. Pick a winner for that lane only. Long document synthesis with company files. Test Grok 500K context against Gemini long context against your current RAG stack. Sensitive regulated data. Prefer approved VPC or open-weight paths first. Public web research agents. Prefer models with strong tool use and clear logging. Always keep a backup model and a circuit breaker. That is the market in 2026. Not one throne. A portfolio. Your move. Run a 4-model bake-off this week. Same briefs. Same tools. Same stop conditions. Score quality, tokens, latency, and human edits. Put Grok 4.5 in the mix with your current primary and 2 rivals. Publish the results to your team, not Twitter. Then set routing policy in writing. Tune in tomorrow. We wire that bake-off into N8N. Auto-route by task type to Grok 4.5, a chat model, and a backup provider with cost tags on every pass. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.